Welcome to Home Report. This module allows you to have a comprehensive analysis of a specific home. The analysis includes sale and rent details of project and unit, days on market details, and project comparison. Let's give it a try. Let's look into a specific unit in Estella Gardens condo. First, search for the property or street name in the search bar. Additional fields might be required depending on the property type. Once done, you will see the unit's current estimated price and past sale transactions. A mortgage calculator is also available for quick calculations. Click the link to our Property Guru Finance website to view loan package options. Next, project details are available under Project Overview. You can also click the link to view active listings on Property Guru. Below Project Overview are 3 tabs for further analysis: Sale, Rent, and Comparison. Under Sale tab will be analysis on project sales performance. It shows active listings info, sale price trends, and past transactions. For trend graphs, you can change the duration of the graph from the drop-down. Hover over the graph for more details. Change the timeline scrubber for a more detailed view of the graph. For past transaction tables, scroll down to view the full list. Rent tab will show similar analysis to Sale tab for rentals in the project. Under Comparison tab, custom comparison graphs are available. Enter in the details for the custom comparison to view transaction volume and median PSF graphs. Below the comparison graphs is an analysis of the project against similar projects. 3 projects are chosen for the analysis. Last, a list of nearby amenities is available with Map View. Change the map range from the drop-down. Scroll down for the full list. To download the full home report, click on the Download Report button under the search bar. A PDF will be downloaded to your device. We hope this quick guide was useful in helping you get started. To explore other modules from DataSense. Welcome aboard!